Hello, hi everyone. Nature is the foundation of human life, providing us food, water, and fresh air. Protecting nature ensures a safe and happy future for all. Let's see benefits of nature. Let's see some key points. Biotic components, plants, animal, microorganisms. A biotic components water, air, soil, rocks, temperature, climate, and balancing nature foundation through a amazing balance. Benefits of nature to humans. Food and food supply. Fruits, vegetable, grains, fish and meat provide us food. Plants in nature serve a food source as well as Ayurvedic medicine. Nature providing fresh air. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is essential for us breathing. They help purify the air and regulate the climate. Water supply. Rivers, ponds, and rainfall provide us drinking water and irrigation water. Vegetation improves to see health benefits. Being in nature provides mental peace. Spending time near trees, gentle hills, and rivers reduce stress. Activities like yoga and meditation in nature help us to healthy and healthy environment. Trees help keep the climate cool and play a role in a controlling dot soil erosion and water availability. They balance environmental changes and economic benefits. Forests, resource, wood, rubber, fruits, medicinal plants create employment opportunities. Natural beauty boost tourism which bring income to the country. Environmental protection. Aquatic life, vegetation, and soil organisms interact to protect ecosystem. Biodiversity ensures environmental balance. Spiritual benefits. Spending time in nature makes the mind peaceful. It deepens the human connection with nature and improves life path. Why should we protect nature? Due to over exploitation of natural resources, deforestation, destruction of wildlife, climate change and soil pollution are increasing. Every person must protect nature by planting trees, reducing pollution, saving water and similar action. Finally, to see the summary. Nature is our life source. It provides us healthy food, water, air, and economic strength. We must love and protect nature so we can live without worries and future generation can live happily. Think we can do every day. Plant trees, reduce plastic use, save water, develop a nature loving mindset. Do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe. You are in a nature lover. Please do one comment. Thank you for watching.